Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to check air quality index on your area location using your Android phone. So for this guys, you need to have the Google Map application on your device. Just open the Google Map on your phone like this. Okay, after opening here, you can get one option in the right side of your screen. Just tap on it like this, and here you can get this more option. From here you need to select air quality. Just tap on it. Okay, now it will automatically detect your exact location. It will show you the air quality index of your area. So as you can see guys, it will indicate you by colors: green, yellow, orange and red. Green means guys the air quality index on your area is very fine. Yellow means guys the air quality index on your area little bit fine, or it will harmful for old age. Orange means danger, and red means guys very dangerous. So with this help of Google Map guys, you can easily able to find out, check the air quality index on your area. Okay, so that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.